All right, guys, it's Dan. Dan from DG Undead Ford. So I got some updates for the shop. I got this new anvil because a local at a craft fair said he had one for a while. And my friend, JLP Services, she's going to be opening her blacksmithing school soon in Rutland, Massachusetts. But she's a farrier by trade. She told me that this is a very, very good farrier's anvil. Now, someone did modify it before the previous guy, adding some nuts to help bending. But this anvil I got for a decent price. And I've already, as you can see here, I've already forged it. It forges very nicely. So I was making some leaves for my paper towel holder. Now for the shop, I have a lot of cleaning I've been doing. I got some angle iron because I'm going to be actually rebuilding my forge. And the forge burner, I'm going to be making another one. Because after I rebuild this forge and show you guys how to make this simple beginner forge, I'm going to be working on a propane or helium tank gas forge that uses the Kailwool and the refractory. But I'm going to try making a hybrid forge so that you can insert Venturi burners or make it a ribbon burner. Treadle hammer, I'm going to have a full video on this soon on why you don't have to make it like this, but you should have a treadle hammer as a beginner because a power hammer, to build one, it's going to be difficult. I got one over there that I'm going to be working on. Wood stove I got to finish up. But there's a lot going on. So I'm hoping that this year, the end of this year, going into 2025, I'll be able to help you guys with a lot of beginner advice. But I got my stick welder, but I found a nice affordable anvil. Yeah, I found a nice affordable welder on Amazon that my friend bought. He hasn't used it much, but it's a lot smaller than that, and it's 120 volts. So there's going to be a lot of videos, quality videos I'm going to be working on. I'm going to try to release a couple of the actual. So I'm going to release a video on building the Venturi burner, building the forge itself, and then after that, when I release those, I'm going to be working on doing reviews on like the stainless steel hose, this 12-foot one I got from Amazon. I'm going to do a review on that. And then I'm also going to do a review on, I'm going to do a review on some of the other stuff I got, like that portable bandsaw. I got a new one because my old one finally died after almost 2 years. And I'm going to show you, that's a friend's sword I got to finish. I'm going to show you where you can buy proper knife and sword steel without costing an arm and a leg. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm sorry it's been sporadic with the videos and not very consistent. I've been finishing my final internship in my classes for my school, and I've been trying to get a job that goes with my internship. So I am not giving up on growing the YouTube channel. It's just reality life. I got to have a proper job as a foundation because you can't build a home without a proper foundation. And then I'll build my way up. And as a beginner, starting back in 2020 to now, I still need to practice more. But the things that I am going to be having an upper edge compared to normal beginners is just the experience of this forge. And then I'll be showing the sword forge out there in another video. And, how to build anvil shaped objects. That alone could just be used as an anvil by itself. So I'm not really going to edit this video. I am working on getting better at editing for the future visual effects and stuff, mostly for a second channel, Dead Dan Production. So if you want to check that out, it's going to be a while more. There'll be more time from when I post these videos to when I post those videos because I really want to make sure that I get the quality down. Because thing with YouTube, yes, you can post 1,000 videos. I could just do a video like this every day, but you're not going to get much. It's not value. I want to add value to this world because Dead Dan, I almost died when I was 17. while I'm here, I want to add as much value to this world so that people can to make stuff, you know, even your crappiest stuff. Like I made this too thin. You can see how easily it kind of whatever, but it works for now. I'm not selling it, but it works as a little door handle. There's Mr. Bones. So just remember, be safe, have fun, and in the next coming weeks or month, before the new year, I will have this forge build video out in the forge burner. And so I'll be working on quality so that beginner blacksmiths and bladesmiths will know what they need to do to start making knives, start making hooks. You're not going to need fancy stuff, but there are core things that will really help you be able to have higher quality than you think you'd be able to get with minimum money. So thank you guys. You have a good day. Be safe. Wear your eyes and ears and respiratory protection. Have your carbon monoxide detector. Eh, eh, like that one. Like that one. Plugged it at head height. So when you're forging indoors, you don't die from carbon monoxide poisoning. And just have a good day. See you guys. Bye.